Hello class, this is your instructor James Saunders coming to you from beautiful Sparta, Tennessee. I'd like to welcome you to Workshop 5. It's hard to believe that in just a few short days we're going to wrap up our time together and finish our study of the theory and practice of group counseling. This week, you no longer have any assignments in the Groups in Action workbook. Let me just say you guys did a wonderful job during the past few weeks of engaging in that activity, and I hope that it rounded out your understanding and gave you some insights, some awareness to the nuances involved in group counseling. This week you are going to have reading chapter 11 out of our primary text. It's going to talk about groups in different types of community settings. You're also going to have 3 articles that you need to read. These 3 articles are all connected to the trans-theoretical model of change, also called the stages of change model. Here's a book that I would recommend called Group Treatment for Substance Abuse, Stages of Change Therapy Manual. I'll include the biographical information when I post this video. But this week, you also have 3 discussion boards, but primarily I want you to focus on submitting your 8-session substance abuse group proposal. This paper has to be 8 to 10 pages. Of course, it must be APA compliant. That means make sure you know your margins are set correctly, you use a proper running head, you have your page numbers double spaced, Times New Roman font, 12 point. Make sure you include in-text citations, your references are done correctly, all your sections are centered, and section headings must be bold. Let's see what else. Make sure to review the sample format that I have included in the announcements pertaining to how I want your sessions to look. All of your sections should be in paragraph form except for the session outline, and it can be done as the sample shows. I've really appreciated the work you've done thus far in our course. I am so thankful for all of you for pitching in and engaging in the dialogue, for being transparent in your discussions, for asking questions of each other, and for pushing our understanding of this topic. I'm thankful for your interaction in the Groups in Action workbook, for your paper that you submitted so far, and I look forward to what you're going to offer this week. In the discussion boards, don't forget that to get full participation points in the interaction part, you need to post on at least 3 different days. Some of you have only posted on 2 days. For full maximum points, you have to post on at least 3 different days. But your discussions have been good. I would encourage you this week to go ahead and default to what it says, do your initial post, and only worry about replying to at least 2 classmates. That way it keeps your interaction to a minimum and you can focus on the paper and all the reading for this week. I thoroughly enjoy having you in this class. I look forward to what you have to offer. As always, should you need me for anything, you can contact me via the faculty forum, email, or by phone, 931-510-7747. Finish strong. We're almost through. God bless.